Hey, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Slushy Student 38, back with another video. Today's a big day, I had to tell y'all one more time, a big day. I got a car banger coming. I ain't had a car video in a long ass time. Excuse my language, y'all, but I'm pretty excited. But yeah, if y'all new to the channel, like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Thank you for stopping in. And if y'all aren't new to the channel and just returning, thank you for tuning into this video. Like I said before, I got a big car video coming, and I just wanted to show you, take y'all along and show y'all what's going on. All right, guys, today's video, I got my parts from Gibson Performance Exhaust. With that being said, I did an exhaust video where I deleted the mufflers. If y'all haven't seen that video, I'll leave a link in the description or in the playlist so you can actually click it and go to it. But like I said before, I haven't done a car video in a while because of coronavirus and everything. I've just been doing social distancing. I think everybody should practice that a little bit. With that being said, this is the part I'm actually installing. I'm gonna show you guys before I get it put on. That way, because it's a before and after thing. Matte black. These is 2.5. Inlet, outlet, exhaust tips. This is gonna go with the theme of my car, and I'm really excited to get this on. It's supposed to. These were $289. I'll leave it like a link in there so you can see what they look like on the website. There's $289 after tax or something like that, so it kind of be like $30 something. They were pretty expensive, but yeah, it's supposed to change the drone a little bit, give it a little bit more better sound, hopefully. So when I get to the shop, I will record that and let you guys see that, and then when I put it on and all that, let you guys see that too. So thanks for watching. All right, guys, this is the beast. So I'm gonna show y'all the back of the car. For the whole car, I added that V6 emblem on there too. Before I go to the shop and show y'all the good one time. Give y'all a cold start. Remote cold start. All right, guys, so I decided to come to Midas. They're welded on there, those. And these would have to be welded as well. And that would be to weld it. You cannot clamp these. Can't clamp them, okay. Oh. It's got to be trimmed off. You may possibly have to remake the pipe on the right side. Oh. So this piece right here, this doesn't do anything besides a beauty ring. That's all it is. So I'm gonna have to unbolt this right here, and all this piece is completely coming out. So just so you understand. Yeah. Same thing on this one. Now I'm gonna trim it off, place it in there. Okay. It's up to you. Place it wherever you want it. Out, wherever you want it. Honestly, I want it to be more of a bit out. You tell me where to place it. I want them to be out. Because I want people to actually, you're gonna be able to see it, but you know. Oh yeah, you'll see it. Just to be able to explain a little bit how it is. So, right about there? Yeah. That's perfect, yeah. You gotta be happy. Let's get out the way. Oh, that's perfect. No. That's perfect. Like it? Yeah, I like it. That's perfect. Good. That's so perfect, man. This is Ed, everybody. Hi. He works for Midas. Give him a shout out. You got any social media or anything?
Yeah. Midas. So if you Google Midas Strongsville, you can find us.
Yeah, man, he hooked me up, man. I didn't have to pay that much. I ain't gonna say on the price or anything, but he did it real fast. If y'all need something done for your cars, any Dodge Charger, any cars, any exhaust work, any kind of work.
Full service.
Full service work. He does it all. Affordable and timely too. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. I'm gonna leave some more pictures and stuff later in the video. Alright, so yeah, I am so happy about how this outcome look. Look at this. It's ugly. Look at this, y'all. It's much better. Took away that chrome. Yeah, leave some comments down and let me know what y'all think, man. That's fire, straight heat. Alright, y'all. Thanks for watching this video. I had ran into a couple of problems. I had to go to a different shop. But other than that, it was cool. I like the outcome of this. So just leave some comments and let me know what y'all think about everything. And like I said before, man, thanks for watching. It's your boy Slushie Student 38. So stay tuned for the rest of those pod videos.